Back to our channel. So students, in this video we are going to discuss the unit number 4 complete explanation of the subject FIT. Okay, so in previous videos we have already discussed unit 1, 2 and unit 3. So in this video the complete chapter of unit 4, and these questions whatever I am explaining in this video will be helpful for your final examination to attempt it from this particular chapter. And this notes I have prepared by myself and it is available in our Telegram group. The first question in unit number 4 is Internet Fundamentals. You need to explain about IP address, DNS, URLs, or how browsers and search engines will work. So this is the first question I have given, ma. So what is meant by this internet fundamentals means the internet is a global wise network where millions of the computers will use in throughout the world. Yes, so what this internet will do, it will able to communicate and it will able to search the information, to get the online services, to browse the websites, anything we can do it with this type of internet. Okay, to understand how the internet will work means we need to understand the concepts like IP address, DNS, URLs and browsers and search engines. With the help of this type of things only internet will be working. So first you need to understand IP address. So IP full form is Internet Protocol Address. IP address is nothing about Internet Protocol Address. So this IP address is a unique number where it is connected to the every device throughout the internet. If your device is connected to the internet, you will have a unique number. So like that it will be different from each and every device. Okay, so it works like a home address but not for computers. Okay, so this IP address will be helpful to identify the data, to exchange the data. For this kind of things this IP address will be working. Okay, so examples of types of IP address is this. You need to mention that this only, and you need to example also you need to mention it. So it's the same however I have shown on the screen in the notes, the same thing you need to write it in the examination. Next one you are having DNS. DNS stands for domain name system. So for example, if it is your device will have certain DNS name, that is you are having some domain name. Okay, so human type websites like for example google.com, whatever you are having, will have the unique IP address, no? So this DNS what it will do means it will convert domain names IP addresses. Okay, for example if you are having certain kind of domain name, okay, for example Amazon, you are having the Amazon is a domain name, so with the help of this it will convert the IP address. So examples also I have given here, www.youtube.com. so DNS finds its IP. So this type of example you must write it in the examination. Next you are having URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. So this type of shortcut questions will be useful for 2 marks also. Okay, so URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator, where it will give the complete address of the web page. For example www.amazon.in, if you are clicking like that means you will get the complete website information regarding that. So that is called URL. With the help of URL only you will able to approach the web pages. And next one, how browser will work means it will first we will enter the URL. Yes, then browser will request to the server, then DNS will be converted, then server sends the web pages and browser displays the web pages. So this is the concerned thing which you will have, how browsers will work. Next one you are having how search engines will work. How it will work means first one you are having clawing. Clawing is nothing about, it will scan the websites. Next you are having indexing. Indexing will search the engine based database. Next ranking. Ranking will shows the which it will appear the first, which it algorithm biased, which it appear for the first thing. So it will be able to understand it. And the fourth one, displaying results. So it will list out the web pages whatever you are having. So with the help of internet we can able to run the operation smoothly. Okay, so whatever the IP address is there, DNS is there, it will convert into the numbers. URL will guide the browser and search engine will able to search the information quickly. So this is the first important question. Next important question you are having is network topologies. So what is meant by topology? Network topology is nothing about it is a pattern where a computer or devices will be connected in a network. Okay, each will have the certain design. Okay, first one you are having bus topology. Bus topology is as you can see in the diagram compulsory you need to draw it. First this computer is there, second this, third this, fourth this and fifth this. To convert this, if you want to go with the fifth computer, you need to cross 1 2 3 4. Okay, so like this you need to have the bus topology. For example, 1 2 3 4 5, like this, in this order, in this sequential order you will have the traveling. So it is a low cost, it is a central connected single table, and if the main cable fails means, if one cable is failed means whole computer will, all the devices whichever is connected with that cables will be collapsed. So second one you are having the star topology. Star topology is nothing about the, like this, in the star way direction you will have. So 1 2 third computer, fourth computer, fifth computer, sixth computer, means the computers will be connected in a circular format. Okay, next you are having the ring topology. Ring topology is nothing about the circular format, it will be connected. If one computer fails means all the connected device computer will also stop working. Next, mesh topology. Mesh topology is nothing about one computer is connecting to the different computers. See here, like this. So it is nothing about mesh topology. Next you are having tree topology. Tree topology is nothing about hierarchical model, like this. Okay, so if you open this you will get this, that is type of is called hierarchical format. Okay, next you are having hybrid format. Hybrid format is nothing about the using more than one topologies. 2 or more topologies if you are using means that will call hybrid topology. In this particular diagram you are using ring, you are using star. Okay, you can use what you can say bus topology also, you can able to add it here. If 2 or more topologies connecting, that is called hybrid topology. So topologies are 6 types, you need to mention along with the diagram. The same way whatever the matter along with the diagram, the same thing you need to write in the examination. And the last question you are having, describe network devices and explain their role. Okay, so this is the third question, so and the last question also. So first you need to understand what is meant by networking devices. So networking devices will be helpful to communicate with the network. If one unique role will be there to communicate, to control and to manage the data flow whichever you are having in the network. First one you are having the modem. This is the diagram, you need to draw it. Okay, simply you can draw it like this also. Okay, so like this if you can draw means this is called modem. Okay, simple diagram you need to draw. What it will do means whatever the digital connect signals is there, it will connect it into analog, and analog it will connect it into digital signals, and it is used in the homes for internet connections. Okay, so next one you are having router. Router diagram also I have shown on the screen, you need to draw it in the examination. Mainly it will be used in the homes Wi-Fi networks or in the offices also, this will be useful. Next you are having this switch. So switch connected with the local area network, and only it will devices sends the only to the internet devices. Okay, so if you are having any labs or schools, that will be helpful. Next you are having hub. Hub is nothing about the broadcast all the devices. Okay, so this hub is with a little bit slower and less security you are having, and it will be useful for the only temporary purpose only. Next you are having access point, AP. What it will do, it will provide the wireless communication connectivity. Like for example Wi-Fi zones, you are having colleges, airports, in this particular type AP will be provided. Next you are having repeater. Next you are having the firewall. Firewall, what it will do, it will protect your devices, it will protect your network from the cyber attacker, cyber threat. It will secure your data, it will protect your data from the cyber threats. Next you are having the bridges. This is the firewall diagram, you can draw it in the examination compulsory. Next you are having the bridge. So what it will do, it is a medium sized network, it will be helpful to reduce the connectivity, it will help to reduce your traffic in the systems. Okay, so like this networking devices are there, it will be helpful. Networking device will be helpful to communicate the faster, secure and organized format of data collection. So this is the questions you are having in the 4th unit. Out of this these 3 questions, definitely one question will be in your question paper. Okay, along with the diagrams, the same matter, however I am showing in the notes, the same thing you need to write it in the examination point of view. If you are having any doubts, let me know in the comment section. All the very best for your examination as well as your preparation. See you all in next video. Bye bye, students.